Hey, welcome back, Factory Fam. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's a huge day for the channel today. We're taking the Flex to paint. On today's episode, alright guys, so it's early still. I'm super tired, but we gotta go ahead and pull out everything that needs to go to paint. We're taking the Flex down to paint today. Kind of running into a couple issues with the bumper. This gap is not staying where I want it to. I'm kind of hoping I figured that out. Basically this gap right here underneath the hatch was bowing out. I think I basically heated up the top section of the bumper, just the very top, which should be urethane, so it should be pretty pliable. I heated it up with the heat gun for a while and then actually put this section of wood in there that actually made that gap like perfect. So you can still kind of see the bow up, like where it bows up, but I don't even mind the edge as long as the back section is there, because we have to put this applique on here. It's right here. Sorry about the mess, you guys. It's been a hell of a couple months here. So the applique here goes on. So I feel like with me spreading that gap out, that it should fit in there and then open and shut, but it wasn't as of yesterday. Was messing around with a couple of other issues, so I did a engine bay detail, which you guys saw, but put the new battery in, stuff like that. I'm having some issues with the shifter. We had to kind of ghetto rig the shifter. Boom. Yes, that is a plastic water bottle straw that I'm using as my shifter. So yep, but it works. It'll get us to paint. That's all we need to do. But I got a ton of stuff I got to pull out of the shed and get everything together for paint and kind of take an inventory. So that's what you guys can watch me do right now, and then we'll keep the day going. So enjoy. All right, so I guess that wasn't a crazy amount of stuff. I feel like it's less than I remember, but I mean, we've shuffled around a million pieces on this car. But here's my main box of goodies. I got all the grill pieces, headlight surrounds, main bar grill, grill support background, belt line molding, bumper, rear tailgate applique. That's the whole bumper support. I don't know if you'll want to paint that, but I'm probably gonna take that just to keep everything together. That wood, I'm definitely bringing this so we can look at that together and see where we're at. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab the paint. Paint's sitting in my office, and then see if I left anything in there that we need to take with us. Alright guys, so I got everything loaded up in the Flex. I got her all street legal again, got headlights back in, got license plates on. She's about as ready to go as she can be. Hadley and Angie are gonna follow me in the Mini. And that's what we're gonna do. So stick around. I'm not gonna film on the ride just because the situation is just slightly sketchy in here. So cool. I'm sure you guys can understand. Literally, I have one of my kids' playhouse chairs in for a driver's seat. So, all right, everything's loaded up. We'll see you when we get down to my painter's house. All right, peace. Hey guys, so we just got to Eric's shop. Here we are. He's working on his own car here right now. Let's I'm gonna show you guys this front bumper. It's freaking ridiculous. Woo. Steve is right, man. Yikes. Yeah, man, lots of VIP love over here. Fenders. I think we had something cool outside. Oof. Sean's Q. Getting some love. These wheels, man, are ridiculous. Yeah, there's next project, huh? Oof. So sick. Oh, and there's the man himself. Gang, gang, gang. All right, guys. So I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna shut the hatch up, and then it's gonna be the last time for a while. How's it going? All right. He's saying goodbye. Peace, Flex. And Angie and Hadley are nowhere to be seen, I guess. Oh, they are. They're in the car. Angie, oh, you can't even, oh, you can barely see her. All right, guys, I don't know where we're going and what we're doing now, but I'm stressing and I need to calm down. So drop the car off for paint. It's in the more capable hands of Eric Jensen now, and he's gonna get the FFRS looking gangster as hell. So we'll see you guys later.